Hi everyone, and welcome to a short video on how to add a custom app to the OneLaunch dock. This is really great for people who want to add a shortcut to a website that is not available in our apps library, or for people who have multiple email accounts with the same provider but want quick access to each account. I'm going to add a custom app for Comcast email, which is Xfinity email, as there is not a quick link in our apps library, and I know a good amount of OneLaunch users have an Xfinity account. So the first step is to search for Xfinity email so we can get the link to add to our custom app. So to do that, I'm going to click on the search bar on the OneLaunch dock and type in Xfinity email. This opens the OneLaunch browser with a Yahoo-powered search. At this search, I'm going to scroll down until I find the correct URL that I want, which you can see this will bring me to sign in to an Xfinity account. So I'll click on this, and this is the page that I want to add to my custom app. So I will copy the URL. So to do that, I'll click on it, and then I'll right click and I'll select copy. Now that we have this, I'm going to go into the dashboard app. You can see it because mine's labeled dashboard, or you may just have an icon. If you don't have the dashboard app on your OneLaunch dock, you'll have to add it. So to do that, you'll click on the plus icon, which brings you to additional apps. And then you can see the dashboard app is here. You will click on it and it will add to your OneLaunch dock. So now that you have the dashboard added, we'll go into it and we're going to add a bookmark. This is how you add a custom app. So to add a bookmark, you will click the plus icon, select add bookmark. You'll name it. So we'll do Xfinity, and then we are going to paste the URL that you just copied. So to do that, you right click and then select paste. Now that everything's filled out, we'll click save. And you can see the Xfinity bookmark has been added. So now that it's been added, to add the bookmark or your custom app to the dock, you're going to right click on the icon and click Pin to Dock. You can see it's been added to the OneLaunch dock. So now let's exit out of everything, and you should be able to click the Xfinity icon and it will open to the web page that you saved. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or inquiries, please reach out to our support team at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks for watching.